Vybz
No man,
Kartel
I
lawyer
said
explained what
this is
happened
the
in court.
opportunity now. But anyway, we're not going to go down the rabbit hole with nonsense. To distract the people from the fact that one of Jamaica's national treasure lost 12 years and counting of his life from a gamble, from a breach of his fair trial right, which the Privy Council now says is there, even if they are constrained, says it's unacceptable. It is not they cannot, notwithstanding the effect of discharging jury X, the miscreant juror, should never have sat on that jury. Now
and
that
it's funny because I sit there remembering that in law school I attended this appeal, the original appeal, as part of the I don't even remember what it's called. That thing that you have to do. Where you have to
court attendance,
right.
yes.
And I remember speaking with you, and I said to you, well, there's no way that they can lose their appeal because the evidence is so clear. And so it's so significant, it's so important for me to be sitting here today, having played a part in seeing the convictions of those men quashed. As unfortunate it is that it is only being done today.
You know, let me tell you something that is significant, because I'm not sure if they heard what you said a while ago. You said, I remember when I was in law school seeing their appeal. And for you to be saying you were in law school at the hearing of their appeal, I can say law school during their trial, and when there was a conviction. I remember posting on Facebook to Kartel and say, Kartel, the jury paper, and I know you remember it when I did the independent research paper on the jury paper, and I said Vybz Kartel, this is the paper that is going to free you, and to know that this is information that we would have traversed over, and justice is so slow, and you know, justice delayed is justice denied, which is why people are feeling that the men are not victorious. But I'm going to share with you about the effect, to put in context how significant and monumental today was. The conviction of a national treasure and others, dancehall would have been robbed of the visual and the industry of a Vybz Kartel from an improper conviction. But it took him 12 years and a lot of months to fight it in unfortunate health conditions. And now there people will be defensive and start to say, yes, but he rejected the medical treatment. But the same hospitals where you see rat and roach are run up and down, you know, the bad conditions, they want you to go under the knife, when clearly you've been saying, you don't like me, that's why I'm convicted, and the prosecution was done in such a way where I never get a fair trial. Let me not use language outside of that. And you're saying, I'm afraid of the state, so I won't go under the knife. Only Shorty must run me down with the knife. But don't worry, because nobody can run with the knife again. But anyway,